Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another weekly live room results. This week we will start, this week we had some very good trades. We have some positions running still. We have on them some win-win scenarios. Some of them we took them really early and we are waiting for results. But let's focus on the ones that we already had our win-win scenario and of course all the profits in our piggy bank. Another opportunity on GBP New Zealand dollar, we had our combined strategy filters met. We saw a lower settings, higher settings combined entry with 40 pips, and you can see price reached 300 plus pips, exactly on the target we have identified from our top-down approach. This was 40 pips of an account protection order, and we got 300 pips. Actually, we had some more because we took also incremental profit. Price is a little bit of a rangy, and you already know what to expect since we did the top-down approach on Monday. Another pair is Euro Aussie. Again, a really nice combined entry on a major support area. You see at the beginning of the week to take any shorts, we were too close to the support. It were late entries. Some of you, of course, took it like with a scalping strategy, but we waited for the price to react again on one major support area identified from our top-down approach. You see here our false breakout, our opportunity, our nice setup came. We were waiting for that, an APO of 25 more or less pips. We had plenty of room to create a win-win scenario. You see price reached 100 pips, 50 plus 100 plus 160, 160 pips. Let's say 100 anyway, doesn't matter. More than 4% only with Euro Aussie. On CAD Yen, same approach. Another powerful trend line has broken on a major support area. False breakouts, nice opportunities. Some of you took this setup, some of you the other one. In any case, it was 25 pips, and you can see price with a win-win scenario is already at 100. Again, 4% only with this move. Of course, you stay in the trade, you don't close anything. Your last position with an APO of 25 pips can reach 260. It's not a big deal. Previous charts with the same approach, we went for 300 pips. The only thing is to stay in the trade, you know, just keep your last position running as long as possible. Now on GBP USD, we had many opportunities. GBP pairs are volatile, of course. Another opportunity on a major support area. We took 120 pips with like 20-25 price with a lower settings entry. Even with this entry here, it was again like 30. We took 90, again win-win scenario. And of course, at this point, or this point, if you remember, we said let's bounce trade that. Again, if you were on a conservative approach and you went for the breakout, or you just put some pending orders with 25 pips, again you can see how many pips, 150, 250, 350, 300 pips, you know, for all this movement. You see, 170, 160, okay, let's say 300%. Remember, you have two choices when price is on a wedge. Either you wait for the breakout or bounce trade, and this is exactly what we did here. Bounce trading, up and down, support area is holding, trend line, major trend line coming from higher settings is holding. So who am I to argue with these powerful trend lines. We had also another opportunity on EuroCAD with another powerful trend line break. 1, 2, 3s, ABCs. This was a nice opportunity. 50 pips, again 150. If you get stopped out with 200 pips, first, second target, stopped out with the third one, for sure you would have taken 200 pips only from EuroCAD. Overall, only these trades, we're not counting the ones running, were 900 pips, 24% in our piggy bank. We are not stopped out yet, but even if we do, we have a very big buffer anyways. Every week we have at least 10, 15, 20%, so it doesn't matter. Getting stopped out is part of the game, and the only thing is just to follow your money management rules. Thank you very much for watching one of our videos. Have a great weekend and see you again on Monday morning in our top-down approach. Be safe, everybody.